Hello, welcome to your first lecture. The first thing we're going to look at is topic selection. So what topic will I do on this project? Well, what I am looking for, who's the person you choose? And deeper than that, why did you choose this person? I'm asking you to choose the most important person in history, alive or dead. Why? And then what do you show about your values in saying this person was important? I want to get to know you a little bit more through the writing of this paper. So what I am not looking for, I'm not just looking for predictable information. And I'm not looking for information presented without interaction. I want you to deeply think about what makes this person important. And I want to show that see that interaction with you. So when we look at what makes a person important, we have lots of examples throughout history. Is it how they led? So we look at someone like Abraham Lincoln, who led the United States through the Civil War, or FDR, who led the United States through World War II. Is it a person who's in a leadership position? You could look at someone like Barack Obama, Donald Trump, Joe Biden, Ronald Reagan, right? You can look at a lot of leaders like that. Or we can look at leaders around the world, Margaret Thatcher, Winston Churchill, Angela Merkel. So of Germany, there are lots and lots of examples of people we can look at. And so that could be one way to think about it. Is it what they did for others? Look at someone like Martin Luther King Jr. or Cesar Chavez or Pancho Villa, or any of these figures that really did a lot for the people around them and to help those that they could. Did they break some kind of barrier? So we look at Jackie Robinson, who was the first black man to play in Major League Baseball. Or we look to uh, one sec. Mae Jemison. Sorry, guys. I couldn't remember her name. Mae Jemison, who was the first black woman to go to space. Do we look at people who break barriers? Again, Barack Obama, the first black man to become president, or Kamala Harris, the first Asian and black woman to become vice president. Are these the things you're looking for? Did they accomplish great things, right? LeBron James, look at the number of rings he has, the number of championships he's won, the great things he's accomplished in basketball. Or Beyonce, and the number of records that she sold, the number of barriers she broke there. So is it someone like an entertainer that sold records or done things like that? And with that, did they entertain us? So like someone like Will Smith, who's made countless very popular films and TV shows and music, or Emma Watson, who's also been in a lot of very popular movies, TV shows. Is that someone that you'd want to talk about that way? Did they create culture-changing things? So Steve Jobs, the inventor of the iPhone, right? You're all on him all day. It's certainly part of your culture, and it's definitely something that has changed the world. So is it someone like that, an inventor? Or we could look at Eli Whitney, or we could look at Elon Musk, who has really moved Tesla forward and really is moving the electric car into new directions. So looking into people that are creating things that are changing the world around us, or Bill Gates, who created Windows. So people like that. Being important doesn't necessarily mean you're good. It just could mean that you're having a big impact on the world. So Adolf Hitler was undeniably a horrible person, but he undeniably was an important person and changed very much Europe and the world around him and made a huge impact on world history. Or we can look at people who are alive now. Vladimir Putin is undeniably an evil man, but he is orchestrating world events right now and has the whole world focused on him. So maybe you want to learn more about him and focus there. It's really up to you. You can research just about anybody. Let's look at a few things. Number one, it's got to be someone that will fuel your interest. If you're going to get bored researching this person, then that's on you. It's on you to find someone that you are interested enough in to keep researching. So with that, someone you want to learn about. You should feel motivated to learn about this person. So someone that is famous enough to have things written about them. There needs to be articles written about them. There needs to be things that are written about them so that you can find sources for your paper. So with that, I am sorry, but please do not choose your mom. I know your mom is very important to you, but unless your mom happens to be a celebrity and you can show me sources written about her, I'm going to ask you don't pick someone like that, like a mom or someone that you personally know. It's very sweet that you'd want to pick someone like that, but for the purposes of this paper, because you're going to need to have sources, that is not going to be a great choice. The other limitation I'm going to put, you are going to have to get approved by me, is it has to be someone that others in the class are not also doing. So each of you need to individually choose a different person. There's only about 25 of you in the class, so it shouldn't be that challenging, but I don't want everyone doing the exact same paper on Beyonce or something. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.